Hello friends, this is Hanigat from Coco Weave Trainings again. So you remember last time we were speaking about emotions and how to be an emotionally intelligent beings. And in the process, I told you that since this is a deep and an intricate topic, we are going to divide it into tutorials. So last time we had covered up one tutorial, and here I am with my next tutorial about emotions and how to be an emotionally intelligent being. So if you remember, we were talking about how do you become aware of your own emotions. That's the first step of being an emotionally intelligent being. So today I want you to go a step further and go ahead and reason your emotions. That's another step of being aware of your emotions. So when I say reason your emotions, think about it. Whenever you are caught in any negative situation, any strong negative emotions, question yourself, how is that making me feel, right? Why am I feeling it the way I'm feeling it? How is this impacting me? How is this going to impact me and the other people who are important to me? Is this something that is in conflict with the value system of my life? If in case it's in conflict, what can I better do so that it fits well into the situations of my life? And then go ahead and lastly ask yourself, if there is one person who could help me out to come out of this emotional paradigm or paradox, who would that be? And what help would I ask him or her to help me out to come out of this emotional dilemma? When you do that, you are actually reasoning your emotions. So you're not just going ahead with your emotions and accepting it the way they are flowing in your body and in your mind. Rather, you are taking a step back and you are questioning your emotions. With this, I'll also request you to take a step further and challenge your negative emotions. So is there a baggage of the childhood that you are carrying till date while you are adults? So maybe in the childhood you were stuck in a dark room and you developed phobia for darkness. So even today when you are young, adult, bold, beautiful, you still feel, no, I'm phobic for darkness. Does that happen with you? If that happens with you, it's just that one emotion has gripped you so strong, and that has been a negative emotions. The best way to overcome this emotion is to challenge this emotion. That why, if today it's dark, I can step forward, switch on the light, and the darkness is gone. Similarly, if you feel that you can't speak well because maybe in the childhood you had a bad experience, go ahead and challenge it. Today I'm smart, I'm intelligent, I can speak, I can address the world, I can speak to larger audiences, I've got more experiences with me. So what's the fear of speaking to public? So like this, go ahead and challenge any of your negative emotions. Once you challenge your emotions, you understand there's no rationality lied into it, right? So this is my second thought which I want to share with you in this tutorial of mine, and we have a lot more to share regarding how to become an emotionally intelligent beings. But till then, I would request you to think about the points that I have discussed with you, grasp them into your life, and if you feel that there is more that you would like to share about or talk about it, and to find ways how to become more emotionally intelligent beings, please feel free to connect with us. You can visit our website at www.cocoweave.com. You can subscribe to my channels, you can connect us personally, and I'll be very happy to welcome you even at my official address, which is Coco Weave Work Cafe Private Limited, 11 Hargobind Enclave, Delhi 92. With this, Hanigat is saying you thank you so much for your time, and see you next time. Bye-bye.